Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own bath bombs at home using the essential oils from Corked.com. Your essential oils from Corked.com arrive packaged in crumbled cork, which not only protects the glass bottles from damage, but is fully recyclable. And here's a bit of branding with the Corked logo. I have 3 scents here. This one is lemon. Each bottle contains 10 milliliters or 0.32 fluid ounces of essential oil. The label also has a bit of information about each oil, like country of origin and extraction method. For example, this bottle is cold pressed from Italy. The green bottle here is rosemary. And the last scent that I have is lavender. The tops on each bottle are twist-off caps, and underneath you have dropper tips to control precisely the amount that you use, since these are concentrated oils and a little goes a long way. Right away, I can smell the aroma already from the open bottle. It's really intense and pleasant, so let's jump right into the bath bomb making. For this recipe, you'll need Epsom salt, citric acid, cornstarch, and organic oil, baking soda, soap color which is optional, your essential oils, and some molds and measuring spoons. In a medium-sized bowl, add half a cup of baking soda, then a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and finally a 1/4 cup of citric acid. Give your dry ingredients a good mix with a whisk until thoroughly combined. For your wet ingredients, start with 1 tablespoon of your carrier oil. Here I have organic coconut oil. I'll need that to be liquid, so I'll just pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Since I have 3 different scents that I want to make, I'm going to divide the oil into thirds, and use 1 teaspoon for each. Then to each bowl, I'll add 8 to 10 drops of essential oil and 4 drops of color. Next, add 1 teaspoon of water to each color. If you're only making 1 color, add 1 tablespoon to the whole mixture. Then give your wet ingredients a stir. Of course, oil and water don't really mix, so you should end up with a bit of a bubbly looking emulsion. I've also divided my dry ingredients into thirds as well, using about 100 grams in each bowl. When adding the liquids to your dry ingredients, add it gradually and stir quickly so that the water doesn't activate the citric acid and make the whole thing start foaming. It may be necessary to get your hands right in the bowl to fully combine the ingredients. When it's done, it should look and feel like damp sand and hold together when squeezed. Now, take your bath bomb molds, and I'm using these aluminum spherical cups, and pack each side with the desired aroma. I'm going to be making a large lemon lavender bomb by pressing these 2 halves together. Then open the top to let it dry. The lavender mix feels a little bit dry to me, so I probably could have added a little more water, so we'll see what effect that has later. Let's also do a lemon rosemary one. And since my lavender is a bit crumbly and not really sticking well, I'm just gonna do some shower melts. And that's basically just half the bath bomb. We'll let these sit and dry overnight and check them out tomorrow morning. Okay, so after about 12 hours, these are completely dry. As you can see, my large lavender lemon bomb split apart. But that's okay because you can still drop both halves in the bath at the same time. It just doesn't look as nice. The lavender mix did end up cracking a little, so it is important that you get the right consistency before you pack your molds. The lemon and rosemary mixes turned out much better, and this medium-sized bomb dried intact. These smell amazing, so let's go ahead and test them out. I've got my tub filled with water, and I'll just drop the bomb in. Listen to that sizzle, that's awesome. And these smell really great too. Strong, but not overpowering. I think these turned out really nicely. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to make bath bombs. I'd like to thank Corked for supplying me with complimentary samples of their essential oils to try out for this video. And if you'd like to try them out too, you can use my exclusive coupon code ReviewedByPhil for 15% off your order. I'll put a special link to the product below where you can use the coupon code. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.